3 ex-Memphis police officers convicted in the death of Tyré Nichols are headed for a new trial. A federal judge made that decision after the original judge in the case recused himself. ABC 24 obtained court documents, and I'm breaking down what we know now about why he stepped away. Chief Judge Cheryl Littman granted a new trial for ex-Memphis police officers Tadarrius Bean, Demetrius Haley, and Justin Smith after court documents showed details about the communication between the original judge and prosecutors. Littman took the case after Judge Mark Norris recused himself in June, just days before he was set to sentence the ex-officers for their roles in the death of Tyré Nichols. We spoke with criminal defense attorney Art Horn the week of Norris's recusal.
It just happens often, and it's better that a judge would recuse himself or herself from a case if they think there's a conflict, rather than to stay on.
In the 2024 federal trial, the men were found guilty of obstruction of justice, and Haley was also convicted of deprivation of rights and deliberate interference resulting in bodily injury. Several months later, all 3 officers were acquitted of state charges. 2 other officers, Emmett Martin III and Desmond Mills Jr., already pleaded guilty. Norris had handled the entire case. The controversy stems from his comments after one of his law clerks was shot in October of 2024. He also reportedly claimed gang members infiltrated the Memphis Police Department all the way to the top. Defense attorneys say no evidence of gang activity was presented at trial. Judge Littman ruled that while Norris's trial decisions were legally sound, the appearance of bias was too deep to ignore. This filing also comes on the same day Bean gave up his law enforcement certifications in Tennessee. The State Peace Officer Standards and Training Commission will vote on it Friday. Prosecutors want him to serve 12.5 years in federal prison, though that now goes into question with the news of officers getting a new trial. A status conference is set for September 25th to determine what will be retried. And of course, we will stay on top of this case as new developments arise and bring you the latest details.